Hey there, Boots Owen here. I've got a Caple C-A-P-L-E, never heard that brand before, C2216 oven door. If you want to get this oven door off, I've already done the clip on this side, or no, it's flicked up by itself actually. So there's a little flicky clip like this. I'll show you now. With the clip down, the door just works as normal. That's the front of it there. I want an oven door, so flick that up on this side, catch it on the little piece of this metal above. Same on this side. If they're not lined up, it won't really grab it properly, so you got to keep them like that, then ease the door up so that now it's not caught on this side. Look, it's falling down, so that one keeps falling. I'll hold this one and lift this one with my foot, and then see it pushes those two bars in, and then you can lift it up and out just like that. That's how you get that oven door off. Dead simple. Put it back in, you just slide it back in and then unlatch the things. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching.